Oh yeah. Hey guys. Hey, we are doing a Mississippi pot roast in the Instapot today. Good to be back with you. Sorry I'm a little messy today. But chuck roast, got your spices, your beef broth, some ranch, some olive oil, and of course, pepperchinis. Alright? But let me go ahead and get this Instapot up to temperature. We're gonna sear the roast. And I'll be right back, guys. I went ahead and I just cut that huge chunk of fat out of there. We're gonna sear this up, cut it in half, it's gonna fit better. We're just gonna sear it for a couple minutes on both sides. Alright. Look at there, new one for Reaper. Got gloves today. Alright. And while we're waiting for this to sear, it's only gonna take a couple minutes, but I know I haven't been around much. Still dealing with some health issues, but I'm feeling pretty good today. Antibiotic does wonders. It's even helping the vertigo. But stick around. When I'm done searing this, we'll get this mixed up, get this going. You guys are gonna love it. All right, we got it all seared up. I'm just gonna throw in 1 clove of garlic, guys. Why? Because I like garlic. We're going to use, so your roast don't dry out. Oh yeah, we're going to use 2 cups of beef broth. Oh yeah. Hey, you know what? 2.5 cups. Just for safe measure. All right. We're going to throw our butter, half a stick unsalted. We're going to put our juice in there along with our pepperchinis. Gunsy going, pepperchinis. Just throw them right in there, guys. All right. And let's get these off the roast. There. Uh-oh, there we go, making a mess. All right, now I'm going to dump the Mississippi pot roast spice right over top of that, guys. Oh yeah. We'll sprinkle that around a little bit, but just right on top of that roast. And we're going to use some au jus. It gives it a little bit of a different flavor. All right? 1 pack of each. And you know what? For giggles, we're going to throw just a little dab of ranch in there. About a half a teaspoon. All right? All right, so we got everything in there. Uh-oh. Wrong way, Reaper. Oh. Well, you know, that's a smart one. I had it backwards, guys. We'd have been there all day doing that. All right, make sure your valve's closed. And we're going to pressure cook this for an hour. Now, you can do this in a slow cooker, but it's going to take you 2.5 hours. But in the Instapot, bazinga, 1 hour. All right? But we will see you when this is done cooking. Hi guys, welcome. Woohoo! Look at that. It's amazing. We've already got us on our plate here. Some Mississippi pot roast. Now you can eat this multiple ways. Potatoes, veggies, whatever you want. Reaper? Reaper's just gonna go with a sandwich. Now if you go with a sandwich, make sure you pull the stems out. Mmm. Sorry, guys. Oh, yeah. This is mine. So, yes, I'm licking my fingers. Because it's actually finger licking good. But until next time, God bless. Thanks for hanging out with me and Gunchy. And we'll see you next time.